Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this OPPO. You need to start by locating Tools folder and clicking on it. Then select Recorder app. Now you need to click on Standard over here and select one of those options, Standard, Meeting or Interview. I will go with Standard though. Then click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. In order to add a bookmark, click on this flag icon on the left, and in order to end it and save it, click on the check mark on the right. Now name your recording however you want to and tap on save. Then to play it, click on it. If you wish to get rid of it though, you need to hold it. Then select this bin icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!